We started this house program at Page because we wanted to have a real sense of community.
The kindergartners get to open an envelope and it has confetti in it, and the color of the confetti is your house color.
There's green, blue, red, and black, and you would just go to your corner, they would invite you.
The intent behind it is that kids come to school and they are a part of something and they are seen every day.
I see kids encouraging each other.
People are watching out for you, and you're not just by yourself. Like, everyone's with you. Everyone's doing this together with you.
They're learning that their attendance at school matters because they get house points for their attendance.
If someone's having a rough day or they don't have anyone to play with, you could earn a house point by that, by like playing with them. The minute to win it games we do.
And whoever wins, they get points.
Excited, like super happy. Like, if you get enough, you get to have a party. And I think that's really cool.
We have the mentor system that's set up. So students not only see their teacher every day, but they also see their mentor. And every adult in the school is paired up with 6 to 8 to 10 kiddos.
I think everyone has changed when this has started.
They're learning that their behavior and their citizenship and their team really affects the whole team.
Real responsibility. So like you can't be late. If you're there, you need to be there. If you're helping out, you need to help out, and not just stand there and stuff like that.
It's putting some of the responsibility back on the kids. Like, this is your school. How do you want it to run? This has only been alive at our school for a handful of months, and to see how much it's grown and caught on tells us that it really is a fruitful thing for our school.
Page is a really great school to be at. Go Black Team! Woo!